Hey guys, welcome to Tutorialguru. Today we'll be learning how to silence unknown callers in Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now to silence unknown callers in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons, guys, and you'll land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings, and again when you land over here, tap on the calls and messages option available for us over here just below the notifications. Tap on calls and messages, and over here scroll down a little bit, and at the bottom of the list, guys, you can see the option where it says silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown callers will be silenced and displayed in your chat list and recent calls list. Make sure that a tick mark at the right side of that option is turned on like this, guys. Make sure it's ticked, and with that being done, guys, the next time any unknown callers call you in Viber, they will be silenced and they will be on the recent calls list, but they will be silenced, guys. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to silence unknown callers in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.